here's a trick. If you have a four-wheel drive BMW XI model, iX model, still don't remember what it is exactly. So if you have a four-wheel drive BMW and you're trying to take out or reinstall the front strut, here's a trick. This hub is a split design with a compression bolt. So in a natural state it compresses the strut, and in order to take the strut out of the hub or reinstall it, you have to open this up slightly so the strut comes out or goes back in. On XI model you have the axle that is in the way of using any. I guess this applies to people that don't have a special tool to open this strut seat, I guess. So what I figured is you can use just a regular screwdriver, flat. All you have to do is turn the hub. This is the left side, so turn the hub, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, so the screwdriver actually goes behind the axle and in front of the lower control arm, rear lower control arm. This way you get just enough space to really insert the screwdriver. Then you have to beat it in. Like so. So here's what it looks like from a different angle. So this is the strut seat in the hub. This is the split that you have to stick a wedge into so it spreads open and gives you enough room for the strut freely slide in or out. Here's the axle. Here's the rear lower control arm, and the screwdriver is just placed in between these, but you can do that only if you turn the hub, the wheel all the way. Yeah, I turned the steering wheel all the way to the right in this case. Oh, it doesn't look like much, but it is. So in this position the slit is straight in between the axle and the control arm, and the screwdriver can go in. So the strut really freely moves in and out. So what you have to do now is get the screwdriver out. Just wiggle it out like so, and then you can reinstall this bolt. Like that. Put this nut on it, torque it, and you're all set. And there's the stupid sway bar. So that's pretty much the trick to get the strut in and out and in. So just like I said, a four-wheel drive model, extra headaches that you don't really need. Like if you didn't have enough already with the BMWs, what's next? I really wonder. Oh, I know what's next. Full electric BMW. That's going to be fun.